Chrysanthemum is a perennial plant. It grows all through the year, but the best time bloom is the winter. There are many pots of chrysanthemum in my garden. The present condition is right over here, very much clearly visible, I suppose. Today I am here with a tiring work. It will take an hour or so. The stems will be cut off and placed again to the soil. The old stems have dried and the root have become weak to extract nutrients from the soil. For chrysanthemum, this is the perfect method of growing the plants and preparing the plant for the winter bloom. The green stems are cut out for propagation. The remaining part of the plant will be discarded. Monsoon has started mostly in all parts of India. Therefore, we can start the propagation for chrysanthemum. If not now, you can do it after 15 days or a month. For chrysanthemum, take any kind of soil. Use normal garden soil mixed with cow dung compost, little river sand, neem extract, vermicompost and little coco peat if you wish. The stems will be made 4 inches long for cuttings. From here, many cuttings will be available, but not all cuttings will survive. However, year after year, without any expenses, we can grow flowers in our garden. Last 4 months, I have not gone out for plant shopping. I strictly maintained the social and physical distancing and the home isolation for pandemic due to COVID-19 all over the world. Chrysanthemum is a hardy plant. There is no root rot problem, but keep a good drainage system. Friends, if you have your chrysanthemum plant, you can follow this method and you will surely succeed, which will help you to grow chrysanthemum flowers after October during this pandemic. The plant needs whole day sun. Under shade, the plant will not bloom, but avoid direct sunlight during summers. But not in my case. I just run to shift my pots where I get the sunlight. Most of the chrysanthemum and adenium pots are kept at the west side of my garden because usually on the second half of the day we have no rain. Finally, the cuttings are ready to place into the soil. The thermocol container really looks stupid, but when the chrysanthemum bloom, the container is all hidden. I will surely give the follow-up during winters. I rarely buy plants from nursery to beautify my garden. I have a passion of collecting plants from the natural habitat. Moreover, I cannot save the nursery plants because those plants have clay soil which lead to root rot within a month. You can follow another method of propagation for chrysanthemum, that is, place the same cuttings to a shallow pot of river sand only. Then after few weeks you will have new roots on the cuttings. Will also make such cuttings after some days. I keep on doing experiments, do not follow a single method. You know friends, for growing plants you should have your liberty and relaxation for gardening. Chrysanthemum plants will need fertilizer when the plant bloom. Add DAP before flowering starts. You can add liquid mustard cake fertilizer also, but when the plant will attain a good growth. As this is a winter growing plant, pest do not attack, but as I have the plant all the 6 seasons, it becomes quite difficult for me to keep the plant alive and happy in the weather fluctuation. Summer and monsoon time, mealybug attack, so I spray neem oil to these plants once a month. Finally, I have completed all the work. Next is, the pots will not be disturbed. If the soil is wet or moist, do not water for 2 or 3 days. Let the cuttings settle down into the soil. Let them adjust. Always remember, after repotting and after propagation of cuttings, the plants undergo shock. Do not lose hope. They will again revive somehow. So that's all friends. Stay connected to my channel. Subscribe, like and share. Add your honest comments. Bye bye. Lots of love from Garden Hill.